back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, after decades of pushback, there is finally an agreement that developing countries like Jamaica should receive funding for loss and damage from climate change. It comes after negotiators at the United Nations COP27 Climate Summit in Egypt have reached a tentative agreement to establish a loss and damage fund for nations vulnerable to climate disasters. This has been a top agenda item for Jamaica and other Caribbean nations at the conference. Now, according to CNN, the United States is also working to sign on to a deal on a loss and damage fund. The fund will focus on what can be done to support loss and damage resources, but it does not include liability or compensation provisions. If finalized, this could present a major breakthrough in negotiations on a contentious subject. Now, negotiators have been working up to late Saturday night to finalize the agreement.